Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking this video. So this is Fox Road in Abia and I'm heading towards Ariaria junction, from which I'm still going to continue my journey. I think I'll make a U-turn and then continue from Fox to Ososo by Fox. So this, you're going to be seeing some part of Ariaria International Market, one of the biggest markets in West Africa, if not Africa entirely. So you'll notice something in this video. If you just look around in this video, you'll notice how clean this area in Abia is. That's just how the whole of Abia is right now. A place that used to be known as one of the dirtiest cities in Nigeria. One of the dirtiest, if not number one dirtiest city in Nigeria. But look at what it is now. So this is the effect of good governance. Now you will see this is it ASEPA, you know, the people, the body in charge of taking away all the trash all over the states. They are really doing a very good job here. Just look at how clean the road is, well swept. So ASEPA is really doing a good job. They are really, cleaning the whole of Abia and getting rid of all the trash. They even provide what is it called? Is it trash container, where a very big trash container where people dispose all the dustbin inside, and then later they come with their trucks and take them away, take all the trash away. So they are really keeping Abia clean, and also the people of Abia too are playing a role. They are also trying their best to keep their city clean. So these are the modern buildings, the modern structure in Ariaria International Market. But I'm not going to be entering inside, but you can see it. Such structures like this, there are many of them inside Ariaria International Market. I told you it's one of the biggest markets. We just passed one of the trash bins. I think I didn't capture it well, but I think there's another one in front, so I can show you guys where they dispose all the dustbin, all the trash into. So all this area you are seeing, they are part of Ariaria International Market, but it goes inside. If you get inside, it's very, very big. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. So this is the trash container I'm talking about. You see, they are already at work there already, trying to keep the city clean. So if you're a first time viewer, I really appreciate you for making a chance to watch my video. If you're a returning viewer, I really want to say thanks for always watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will get a notification. So you can watch the video down as I'm heading to Ososo by Fox, so you can see how all those area is in January of 2026.